Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price update, and in this video I'll be covering Gala games, and its current price stands at the $0.26 mark, and according to TradingView the market is up by 1.96%. and what I have on the screen is the daily chart. And before I start this video and give my key expectations, I want to just give a brief of what has been happening on this chart. And if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and also subscribe to the channel so that you get notified once I upload another video. So Gala game started seeing lower prices from the all-time high. We started seeing lower prices in this ABC correction, and the ABC correction took us to around the $0.16 mark, $15 mark. Then from there we started seeing a bounce to the upper side, and at the moment we are also seeing a recovery on the market. And at the moment we have also broken above the 20-day MA and also the 50-day MA, and we are facing a resistance at around the $0.27 mark. So we need to break above the $0.27 mark for us to say that we can continue seeing higher prices for Gala games. And I think Gala games has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, having come down to this yellow target that I have down here at around the $0.15 mark. So it's possible for us to see a wave that can take us to an all-time high, maybe in this Elliott wave pattern that I have here, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high. So some of the key resistances that we need to break is this resistance that we have at around the $0.27 mark, and once we break above it, I also need to see a retest of that zone. And once we have a retest, the price would go above the 0.23 fib level and maybe push to around this, the next resistance that we have at the $0.4 mark. And once we go to that region, the price will be trading between the 0.5 fib level and the 0.38 fib level. So I expect us, once we continue pushing higher, we enter this. It's possible for us to see this. It's possible for us to see a 0.4 Gala games. Once we break above the $0.27 mark, the next target zone that I expect Gala games to reach is the $0.4 mark, which we have a zone where we have a resistance. And once we are in that resistance, that would mean we are in the golden region of the Fibonacci retracement, and it's possible for us to see a 0.4 Gala game. And once that happens, it's possible for us to maybe have a retest, another retest over here, and then continue pushing higher. It's also possible for us, once we see the 0.4 Gala games, maybe have a rejection over there. And once that happens, I expect us to then have a pullback and maybe find support on the $0.27 mark or the 20 and 50-day MA. And then from there we can have the potential to continue pushing high and maybe go back to this target zone that I have up here in these blue markings once more. And then from there we can continue pushing higher. So those are the key expectations that I expect to see for Gala games, and that's all.